ASUS Router Bridge Mode with Orbi Mesh. VLAN tag setup. Step 1. Accessing ASUS Router's web interface and operation mode. First, connect a device to your ASUS router and open a web browser. Type your router's IP address and log in. Navigate to the Administration under Advanced Settings, then select the Operation Mode tab. Step 4. Selecting Access Point Mode. On the Operation Mode page, choose Access Point Mode. Confirm your selection and apply the settings. The router will restart. Step 3. Locating the IPTV or VLAN settings. After the ASUS router reboots in AP mode, you may need a different IP address to access it. Log back into the web interface, navigate to LAN under Advanced Settings, then click on the IPTV tab. This is where ASUS puts the VLAN tagging settings. Step 4. Configuring the VLAN tag. Find the Select ISP Profile drop-down and change it from None or Manual setting to the appropriate ISP if available, or choose Manual setting. Under Internet VLAN tag, select Enable, then enter the specific VLAN ID provided by your ISP and set the priority. Click Apply to save the settings. Step 5. Connecting to the Orbi or main router. Now that the ASUS router is in AP mode and configured with the correct VLAN tag, you can physically connect it to your Orbi system network. Connect an Ethernet cable from LAN port on the ASUS router to an available LAN port on your main router. The ASUS router is now acting as a simple switch and Wi-Fi access point, passing the VLAN tag data to the main router. Your Orbi system or main router handles the actual DHCP and routing.